So like we predicted on our GBPJPY, we will be expecting a bullish move for the day, and this is exactly what GBPJPY did give us. GBPJPY did give us a bullish move. Now, I've also explained to you guys previously why we are expecting this bullish move. It's very simple. This is because JPY is falling. JPY is dropping. So this is one of the reasons why any pair, right, trading to your JPY will literally be going bullish. So any pair against your JPY will be going bullish. So this is one of the reasons why we are seeing GBP JPY going bullish. We are seeing Euro JPY going bullish. We are seeing Swiss franc JPY going bullish. And this is one of the reasons why USD JPY is also going bullish. So we will be expecting GBP JPY to continue to go bullish. So right, that is what we'll be expecting market to continue to go bullish. And guess what? That bullish move will continue to take out this high by forming a high. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your GBP, right, going in for the bullish move. So because GBP JPY will continue their bullish move, it is able to take out this high. Now, if you take a look at it right here, we had multiple rejection zone, right? Then if you go to your forward time frame, this can be seen as a ranging market right here in this level, right? This can be seen as a ranging market, right? The markets push up, hit double bottom here, then push up, right? Then here comes the pullback phase, right? Now market was able to push up again to form a new high. Now we will be expecting a pullback. After the pullback, then another push up that will form a new high. So guys, whatever you want to be doing for your GBP, going in for the high, going in for the bullish move. So more movement to the upside is still what we're going to be expecting. Now if there will be any changes to this prediction, so make sure we get the updates, right? We are going to let you guys know. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on it. And also subscribe to the membership program, to the YouTube membership